Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Rolling Craft Tote is probably one of the most versatile and convenient solutions for crafters of all levels, providing ample storage space for your projects, tools, and materials while ensuring easy portability thanks to its rolling design. This comprehensive review will delve into the features, benefits, and considerations to help you determine if this is the right choice for your crafting needs. Number 5. Merry Black Floral Rolling Tote. This tote is perfect for crafters on the go. Its durable design and rolling wheels make transporting your supplies a breeze. It features a locking handle to keep everything safe and secure during transport. You'll love how easy it is to move around. Made from strong, durable polyester, it's built to last. This tote will be your crafting companion for years to come. With ample room for all your scrapbooking supplies, papers, and tools, it keeps everything organized. Say goodbye to messy craft spaces. This rolling tote simplifies your crafting experience. Keep your supplies neatly organized and easily accessible. Whether you're heading to a crop or just need a convenient way to store your supplies, it's the ideal solution. Enjoy crafting without the hassle. What we like? It's made of strong polyester, ensuring longevity. The secure locking handle provides peace of mind during transport. If you need a sturdy, portable solution for your crafting supplies, this is the one for you. What people say. Even full to the brim, it rolls around just fine. All the zippers function properly, it has a cute pattern on the edges and is overall a good quality item. Easy assembly, lots of storage space and pleasing color. This beautiful tote will hold all my scrapbooking needs when I go off to a workshop. There is room for the album I am working on, extra pages, protectors, photos, papers, embellishments and stickers. Just perfect. Number 4. Everything Merry Rolling Craft Tote. It's made from strong, durable polyester. This ensures it can handle all your crafting supplies, trip after trip. With 9 spacious compartments, it keeps everything neatly organized. You'll find a place for all your art and craft essentials. The convenient locking handle makes it easy to transport. It's perfect for taking your projects on the go. Say goodbye to messy craft supplies. It keeps everything in its place, making crafting more enjoyable. We're confident you'll love it. If not, we offer a no questions asked money-back guarantee. It's the perfect storage solution for the everyday crafter. It's designed to make your crafting experience easier and more efficient. What we like? With 9 storage spaces, organization is a breeze. It's also constructed from durable polyester. If you value both ample storage and a satisfaction guarantee, this is perfect for you. What people say. It holds all her work supplies and laptop accessories and even replaced her big purse she usually uses. Lots of room and pockets to put items into. Rolls easily and a beautiful pattern. Number 3. LUXJA Rolling Scrapbook Tote. This tote is designed for crafters on the go. It's built to protect your supplies and keep you organized. It's made of durable nylon with thick padding to keep your scrapbooking supplies safe and sound. Your precious albums and tools will be well protected inside. The main compartment easily fits 12 by 12 scrapbook albums and has multiple pockets to organize your paper, stickers, and other essentials. Everything has its place. The front and sides offer even more storage for smaller items like pens and tools. Mesh and zippered pockets keep everything accessible. It features sturdy handles, a detachable dolly for easy rolling, and a detachable shoulder strap for versatile carrying options. Take it anywhere with ease. Before you buy, please double-check the inner dimensions, 13.5 by 11.5 by 12 inches, to make sure it fits your scrapbooking supplies. Happy crafting. What we like? The heavy-duty nylon and thick padding keep your supplies safe. The numerous pockets offer excellent organization. If you prioritize protection and versatile carrying options for your valuable scrapbooking materials, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Plenty of spaces for my brushes, papers, projects, and no confusion digging into a BG that is overstuffed, with no organization. There is a lot of room for items I need to carry around for work. I work 12 hours as a nurse and take books, stethoscope, pens, toiletries, change of scrubs, etc. to work. I know this was designed for hobby crafts, but this can be used for so many other things. It can be used for work, as overnight back, etc. I love all the pockets and especially the wheels to just roll my stuff in instead of having to carry a heavy book bag. Number 2. Mary's Wheeled Scrapbook Tote. This tote makes crafting on the go easier than ever. It's designed to hold all your essential scrapbooking supplies, and it has wheels for easy transport. The roomy interior easily accommodates your paper, glue, and other crafting necessities. You'll have plenty of space for all your projects. It features multiple pockets and compartments to keep everything organized and readily accessible. Say goodbye to rummaging through a messy bag. The wheels and handle make it a breeze to transport your supplies to your next crafting adventure. No more heavy lifting. Take your creativity anywhere. It's the ideal companion for scrapbooking retreats, workshops, or any crafting event. It's built to last, ensuring your supplies are safe and secure during travel. Enjoy worry-free crafting wherever you go. What we like. This rolling cart makes transporting your supplies easy. It also functions as a convenient storage bin and travel organizer. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to transport your crafting materials, this is a great option. What people say. Very easy to unfold and zip into its bag shape. Zippers are good quality and smooth working. Inside small pockets are clear plastic so you can see what is in them. Many zip pockets all around. Lightweight but sturdy and stable. I'm impressed with the attention to detail, like the strap that holds the top up while the handle is extended. And on the back are pockets for a water bottle and cell phone. And it's attractive in an adult kind of way. Great tote. Lots of pockets and good-sized main section. Seems pretty sturdy. Number 1. Mary Rolling Craft Bag. This rolling craft bag is designed to make transporting your supplies easier than ever. Its durable construction and smooth rolling wheels ensure a comfortable carrying experience, no matter how much you're carrying. It features 5 separate storage spaces, perfect for keeping your scrapbook paper, art supplies, and other crafting essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. Say goodbye to messy bags. It's built to last with durable construction, inline wheels, and a retractable handle. This makes it effortless to roll along any surface. When not in use, it conveniently collapses flat for compact storage. It's perfect for those who need to maximize space. It's ideal for teachers, medical professionals, and crafters alike. It provides a portable and organized solution for carrying all your essential supplies. Keep everything you need neatly organized and within reach. This bag boasts a patented folding design, ensuring superior quality and reliability. It meets the highest industry standards for exceptional performance. Get your Mary Rolling Craft Bag today and experience the ultimate in portable craft storage. Order yours now and simplify your crafting life. What we like. Its collapsible design makes storage easy. It's also built to last. If you need a portable and easily storable solution for your craft supplies, this is the one. What people say. Perfect size for my crafting tools, trying to downsize and keeping it simple, when only packing the necessities, this case is perfect. It folds and stores away. It made well and very pretty quilted material, excellent craftsmanship. I purchased this for my mother to use when she goes to bingo. It has lots of pockets for smaller items and the main compartment is very spacious. She fits all of her bingo items, lunch and her purse in the bag when she goes. The straps, handles, zippers, wheels, and fabric are very good quality. The whole bag is good quality. Plus it folds up nice and neat when you do not need to use it. Compact but carries a lot at the same time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.